Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update your Microsoft Ads contact information? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update your account information in Microsoft Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you print off your statements from Microsoft Ads, maybe it has the wrong address. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update your account information, here on the left, you're going to click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to choose account setting. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to be able to see your company name, business address, contact email. So if you need to update any of that, up here on the top right, click on edit accounts. It's in blue. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and update the settings right here and then click on this blue save button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your Microsoft Ads account information, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.